How to upload items on Shopify store in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central integration. The major task of setting up a web store requires a creation of all products on webstore. If products are already available in an internal system, then uploading them from there directly can reduce a lot of labor. With x2x Shopify extension in Business Central, items can easily be uploaded on Shopify through x2x Business Central to Shopify integration. First, enable Show on Web in x2x Shopify information section of an item cart and select parent item number. Once enabled, now go to Actions and click on x2x Actions, then click on Upload option. If uploading is successful, message appears as Action performed successfully. After uploading of an item, the x2x Shopify information section populated with the relevant information. Product appear on main store as you can see here. Still not sure if x2x eCommerce is the right solution for you? Reach out to our experts or visit our website to learn more.